So you have arthritis in your low back and little point in between your shoulder blades?
Yeah, like right here.
Any issues in the low back?
Yeah, like mainly like on my right side. Like especially when I do legs, it's really tight, and like when I walk, it's kind of like locks up.
Okay. Any pain, numbness, tingling into your legs or feet at all?
A little bit.
Where do you feel it?
All
the way down to the toes?
It depends, yeah. So sometimes I'll feel it all the way down to my toes, and like my whole leg will go numb and tingly.
Just one leg or both legs?
It depends, honestly.
Either or both at the same time?
It's never both at the same time. It's either one or the other.
Anything into your arms or hands at all? Okay. Let's go ahead and go face down. So we'll get everything checked out. Bring the arms down to the armrest there. Let me know if I hit any sore spots feeling from the neck down to the lower back, okay?
Okay.
Any soreness here at all?
Yeah.
Okay. Left side or both?
Both.
Okay. Go ahead, leg up on your side, facing me this way.
Okay.
Bring that shoulder out from under you. Just lay back nice and comfortable. Okay. Leave that arm just like that. Big deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Good. Roll to your other side. Same thing here, we're going to bring that leg up. Big deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Go ahead and lay on your back. Give yourself a big tight hug. I'm going to bring you down just a little bit. Take a big breath in, all the way out. Jesus. Wow, there, that was good. One more spot, big breath in, all the way out. Go ahead and slide up just a little bit for me. That's good back there. Just relax the weight of your head for me. One more up top. Wiggle your toes. Okay, let's go ahead and go back face down. We're going to work on those muscles a little bit. You said you're kind of feeling it like right in through here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put a little pressure on you. You just let me know if it's too much, okay?
Okay.
We're just going to work on those muscles right along the shoulder blade here. Make sure everything is nice and loose. Doing okay so far? It tickles? Sometimes it can be a little ticklish. Most of the time it's painful. Just try not to laugh too hard, okay? You got a nice little knot right in through here. There's a couple more adjustments we're going to do, so I'm going to have you flip over on your back for me. Just going to go a little pull on the legs, just relax here. Good. Should have felt that all the way up into the hip.
Definitely did.
Same thing here, just relax the leg. Good. Lift your head up and relax down. for this. I just want to make sure that we're not getting any of the earrings or anything, so I'm going to double check first before we do anything. You feel any pulling on the earrings at all?
Nope.
Okay, just relax here. Good. Did you feel that all the way down to the lower back?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna help you sit up. I want you to stand up, move around, see how everything feels. We got a lot of movement in your low and mid back, so it should feel like those spots kind of loosened up a little bit.
That definitely feels better,
Awesome.
for sure.